Dabi, on go tell me. Who will tell me? You go first.
In this video, because funny am and Saho, you betwam akoye Jinzongo, Bunu East, Mountain, I was a call Hodamwa. I will to friend Hansen or say the Twitchy. Hansen, I be a illegal clinic. I would fear just say, Adamo Toby Park one day or their clinic, police for Aquachi. Never which one could please a copy as well. Soldiers form and waka. Robbery be Aquaso Ewo, mining company bimo. Ama soldier form we send up Omo Kahobi. Yachi womo. Now police for be so acquire petrol. After petrol, no police for be and sa Yachi womo. Me ma onchirimu no akere wadwe amame e wo comment section ahi Penyah Block Media me so say ni di mo obe like video no da ma boss subscribe button some like the notification and for latest updates aba kire wadwe de amame e wo comment section me so boss no share for so enya bi ahwe enti ekop no east ya ekrobo we fe no yeji na yeji no nizongo abrancho we fe no Hansen osei Hansen yi okwa di obia di na ye doctor he say carry no ho as a professional doctor. Now I'm not going to say eba nursing need that and seminar health and seminar in fact only dear a woman pa only dear now only license any setting could have now ebia na woman plapra hospitals or woman plapra ya machaya no omo hu na kakra how is one pan na that ebia ana Hansen now ya say wodi ebehu ye na emu no ene ne oba yeji zongo hodomo na yeji zongo no ana ne ebusia odi efia wa team adamo tobi illegally or the eye clinic I say baby or admit patient Hansen will be admitting patient or OPD room just or we were hey or bone fluo a bone moja oh yeah bibia just a doctor area doctor ye area doctor about doctor or we are require Hansen fee because don't call me say oh your doctor we just say you dey odin ho nyina no onya doctor I say license no dey here kwa na illegal wo ni hwe any police for abanan akwachina this a press state and a police for Edeba Abontene. The Bono East Regional Police Command has arrested a suspect for operating an unlicensed clinic in his residence at Yejizongo in the Bono East region. What I say? The suspect, identified as Hansen Osei, was arrested on 28 September 2025 after police acting on intelligence proceeded to his residence where he had converted a chamber and hall room into a clinic. Just as a man Boba prefers just know akwabi abeshe a poem hanwa yeyinzo hanwa no the chamber and hall only license illegally or the clinic it will move call petrol no let's say the omuko pie unia so 28 September na say enu achiye ene ne omu eko pie ni so 3 days ago enko pie ni so. A search of the premises uncovered several youth clinical items, including needles, malaria injection bottles, infusion rubber sachets, and other medical materials. Oh, hey, emoja insu infusion yi ebi gugu ho jeti wa bubo bia wa wo mpane ni bia wa wo bia. What does it? Wa wo bia. During interrogation, the suspect admitted that he had been operating the clinic for the past 11 years without authorization from any recognized medical school or licensing authority. Just say, oh, a born man, you say, oh, my class, major two, let me, and then I'm me, let me, yes, me, and feature tobacco, and my boy, my boy, Hanmo, I hear you, we won't panier. Oh, massa, one panier, what I say, yeah, the chloroquine, add any pain, let the one panier. He was put before the Theobodom District Court on 30th September 2025 and has been remanded to appear on 6th October 2025. I say Hansen Osei ehwaka enwa no mko gina Theobodom District Court enim ma ko hye se mfa no nkotwe ba goku ngaka na nyame adbo ye 6 no 5 days to come no omo ensan fa no emagina court biara court edinasam na yenko pristia ebusa ko pristia other pristia dey obo pristia bia na e galamsey site any mining and e body petro na ho no There is a very big mining company, Longshine Mining Company Limited. Now this Longshine Mining Company Limited, no, and yet 28th now omukoche, Hansen, Ewo, Yejizongo, no. That same 28th now, and arrest, so, Longshine Mining Company Limited, na Ewo Pristia, no. What I say, was a police phone any abri he was in, and Robbie Pan better so despite security force, secret guys near the idea of Robbie better cost. It's over when I had an investigation with ya. Muko, mono. Him, a nipa sis, and a call robbery, I nipa sis, no. Two, officially military men. They are officially military men. And other 4 civilians account, but it's a civilians ni mienu edwane it ache military men 2 no any 2 other civilians ewo pristia police for akachi
Dabi, on go tell you go first. Diabo canoa.
Okay.
The guy.
There we are. What guys are you?
Bad boy. Tá com isso aí. Bogos. Okay, on board. Let's go. Okay. Hold on. Somebody do. Okay.
They are so great. See how they do point they say soldier for call robbery, marry Ghana soldiers call robbery, marry. Now in that same sense, anakwa asasewa so bibi sa so esi wo hono e no de police for echo patrol. Na omu call patrol no omu ko chase some India hemp, you can India hemp marijuana. We omu ko chase track you say we ma ana echo. E no intercept here. No mu chase track we here. We say patrol from call no. Accessory police command ache patrol for no emu miensa.
Na asem si ene anope ya akire manfo adwene pa ni eya prosifo miensa ya omo enie Corporal Ntori Nkansa Emmanuel, Constable Amponsa Prince, ena Constable Adeti Kinsevio. Eno makwakwo chire kaya wi ewomu. Nse sanya Ghana House City no. Wo di wi na mo na wa nyanchire mu papa bia amfa ma na kire se wa tombranta prosifo ndo mo akwakwo chire wi track. Afede didimoa ena mo hwe yo. Afede ese commander wo police command wo commander se identity ya soma mo. Wane ka kire mse mo machi wifo no obi asoma mse mo machi wifo. Come on. Oh, make us say that say commanders no asan ache approach for me and say identity no makwa chi wifo no. Na ama asem da bio omuya enti
afa we car no track na esi wani nyina ye wi
enye na ya bobo no ayi
ya chocho ho bibi ni ya chocho ho
asekoko
car ni registration number nyina wo be hu
mo se mo ni fi a wo hwe NGTV anase bia se wo ni Facebook nje 102.9 FM so a car no a ye hwe car kase pa ye Kia Rhino
tin pa
bidia for die dan e de twi bidia ni ade aha enna we no so ya bo and that send that can get you
as a force bill force bill
that's it that's a force bill ya akase send ya egusu ties no kra memo ani enna plus for me and say now we for what when them some atombra na and we question we for ni aso wo superiors wo mo commanders ba kokra de chire we say sub yi aseswa commander say no kra dia Lieutenant Francis aka chire police for me ensan say obi asom say monkwati wiefo no come go to the office kada manyasa
offer ahene machi ne pick intelligence un say adwuma ye offer ebribia ne pick intelligence aposifo me ensan enya hint say dwumadi e ekoso wo kwan ne so ano
wo mu wura ho aho mo police for wo mu wura ho
enti wo kolle ambush e wo ho ahene machi asa 12 midnight and offer mo che sakai 12 ba ko she uniform mienu ba ko she down police uniform down and mienu ba ko she o she esro mufti and ba ko de o she mufti ena omu nyina wo under Koforidua unit nase the Koforidua command by your district and your regional wenum wo regional baby koyo operation your district district no fa pen bebre na no me
omu fle kesiem aba
ketwanim enti omu chi mrantie ena omu video for evidence purposes ya bebo sound na mo bi ate how o the video e question wom
sanya na sanka IGP kra
ebo ma baso
pejo mo rank mu
ebisa o mo say wo ye frost en no boni din wo ye frost en no boni e no say wonnim say de ya den ade ne kura mo amomo e no mo say ye wi wonnim say ya bra wo Ghana ha ye nse ye ni hudwa e no mo say an ye nim why na de so ma mo no so ye boss ye de ya somafo mo boss wo ye hwan ya o mo say alaji owo hin o se enkran enti efi asesewa abank
alaji ehuna mane
every alaji is alaji
good ira
alaji sika ira
alaji
dollar ira alaji
electricity
alaji
cars alaji we ya chi bi
alaji nti alaji do for bi alaji e no mo say alaji enti police for me ensan record for evidence purposes obe so mbe koka ni hu nyina around the share ama wo hu car number no ema information ne chere say omo frɛ mrantie kra fra alaji eno omo kasa alaji kasa say oba na say mrantie nso omo de omo ko police station de obe shon police station ho
ono alaji nso obe
shon police station so call police station ho ofasa wan kɔ ho nyame nko anonim omo wo ho a commander say momra
and allergy no powerful papa.
Oh, sir, every allergy is powerful
because
in Ghana.
I'm one them man because uncle be a police we calm man to say
thank you
na police me and sacho can you also oh the patrol mo me anya no boko no what me ka say
o se oba
me be kra me ba hon man that is a big man
okodu ya pe na hen machi na police for me and san yedite ni wom car no fast say the car is nowhere to be found the two young men is nowhere to be found me no kasa fa ba afena officers me ensan ye release wom anwa kwotwere statement
sergeant na makwachi wika
officer ne say commander district commander no your sources kire say o se eho ye ne territory na omo na ebe kire na adwuma ana
who born dog
omo na ebe kire na adwuma ana
na nya di nyina service ko ya
ofa de mayentie sound ne wom wow bet mayentie mra
father Jimmy say me drum we bia bebe
unia do fa manim ati say ya fro say mana me ka ho unia fra mo say unia fra say Sule den. Ana ba chon se fro say. Sada to mu finfa. Asisewa. Ana mo hoyin. Ka na ma be na wom. India help. Mo di fina mo de koyin. Wana suma mo. Alajo wa hinfa. Na munim se Ghana ya border rule se ma yindi ade hudwa na ma ye enum ntafa ban se na momudi hudwa ya suma mo
On one they can see Indian hem.
Oh, my ears inside. Hey.
Indian hem. Into officers me and say of half a year release your home statement.
Just say ya punish you one mama. So what trebi mu week munka.
Say car no. Ye who say car ni gusu say asesewa of a mama biako asesewa police station wakohwe. The car is nowhere to be found. And rantie mienu no me no kase ofa. They are nowhere to be found.
IGP
oh afa so nim say adwuma ne de enti de aka ne de IGP ne mrantie no oma asomu dendende ti mrantie mienu no oma ne kan say ye India hem no fa hwe ka ne eniema egum na enye ne maketoa. Every allergy is powerful in Ghana. In this of our power, ye chew pa yourself. Allergy na soma. Allergy no you hu ne da. Ye hu allergy da.
Yo kwala di boy.
Ba fa ngrofo asa ngrofo ye nya o. Ngrofo say boys too ni nyina hye o favorite jersey nso. Ene we hu.
Oh, my own man you for. Na me say me ni man you be.
O basa.
Oh, me ntimi nko honso.
Ba team jersey man no.
Basa. Oh, but Basa them the other.
Sa. Nana kwa me gentle na de bai.
Basa for Barcelona for na we no movie. The man you fear no movie. But sadly asa.
I just say wachi wo mu. I say according to him no. I say how track na contain some Indian hemp no esitie no. Some 3 patrol guys no. Omo ni bibi fa ade no. Enti Assessor Police Command achi wo mu detain wo mu in fact we detain wo mu e wo ma so in fact Ghana had there in fact Ghana Police Service wo ma ya there and we could make make some rounds of arrest yes me bomb abaso mo ya there pa come check me Facebook pages na reporter mo make I think say enwa come say master make police and robbers be ma ko chi wo mu that oh mo boy Ghana Police ma ya there e dey now no military men o mo police for Akachi I say you don't be jina emra nim na emra no be said etie converse na police converse na military men o join civilian e call robbery mabobo adam mo adam right mabobo adam tira wa dwe mame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media Accra.